Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Agoda. First, navigate to the Agoda Homes platform to begin your registration. You will need to provide some basic contact details and create a secure password for your new account. After submitting this information, check your email for a verification link. Clicking this link will activate your Agoda partner account, allowing you to proceed with listing your property. This initial step is quick and ensures your account is ready for the next stages. Now it's time to make your property shine. Clearly describe your listing, whether it's a cozy apartment, a spacious villa, or a charming hotel. High-quality photos are crucial. Aim for at least 5 clear images highlighting different aspects of your space. Don't forget to list all the amenities guests will appreciate, like free Wi-Fi, convenient parking, or a refreshing swimming pool. Detailed information helps potential guests envision their stay and makes your listing more appealing. Next, you'll manage your pricing and availability. Set competitive nightly rates that reflect your property's value and local market conditions. It's vital to keep your availability calendar updated in real time, marking both open and booked dates to avoid overbookings. You can also explore offering special promotions or discounts, perhaps a 10% early bird offer, to attract more guests and boost your property's visibility on the platform. This flexibility helps maximize your bookings. Finally, you'll set up your property's policies and payment preferences. Select how you wish to receive payments from guests, ensuring a secure and convenient process. Clearly define your cancellation policy. For example, offering free cancellation up to 7 days before arrival can be very attractive. Take a moment to review all your settings to ensure everything is accurate and compliant. This final step helps guarantee a smooth operation and a positive experience for both you and your guests.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.